Okay.
Kinetic
Okay. This is
sand, guys.
Zay, stop.
Guys.
Stop.
It
Yeah.
feels like kinetic sand.
What's up, guys? We're about to make slime today. So I'm really excited about to make some more slime. Well, for the first time, about to make slime. Yeah. So let's get into it. I'm really excited. These kids are going nuts about it. They're going really nuts. It's kind of starting to get on my nerves a little bit, but we're gonna talk about that later because they're just kids and all this other stuff. But yes, I'm really excited. I'm really excited to make some slime for the first time ever. So let's get it started. Let's get it started. Oh, also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And am I missing anything? I'm probably missing something.
All our
but
social media is going to be in the description below.
why he looks like a creeper? Why he look like a creeper? Why is he recording and I'm recording at the same time? That makes no sense. That makes no sense.
My name's Kaya.
But yeah, so we about to get into it. Let's get into it, guys. I'm really excited. All right, peace.
Shaka's doing red and Castile's doing dark green,
There it goes.
and Mom is doing light green.
Right. Zane, back off. Okay, so anytime you make anything, whether you're cooking or making slime, make sure you read the whole recipe before you start giving instructions. Does that make sense?
Yep. So basically, this is our first time doing this, which is going to be fun because I'm really excited for this. Obviously,
Shaka, your ball.
He's got it everywhere.
So we're gonna clean up the mess.
We're gonna get a big and my camera shocker. Bye
So-
guys.
So obviously, we just had a slime night.
Zane, stop. No more.
We tried to make slime, but
We're done.
obviously, just look what happened. Just look what happened.
The description, the title of this video is a slime gone wrong. But let me see that.
Yeah. So there's that, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the video, man. We just have fun. First time. It's all on my locks, man. It's everywhere. But we all had a good time. So yeah. All right, guys. That's it, man. Take care. Peace.